Hi everyone, it's JoJo. Thanks for coming back. Today I'm going to show you how to do this look. There's just something about warm tones during this season that just makes me so happy to see them. And that's what's inspired me today with this makeup look. So let's go ahead and let's get started. To prime my face, I'm using Bare Minerals Original Primer. I have been having a lot of trouble with my skin lately. You can see the pigmentations on my face, but we're gonna go ahead and try our best to cover that with the foundation. Here I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Foundation in the shade Sun Beige. To brighten up the skin, I'm using ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium. And then using a damp beauty blender, we're gonna go ahead and blend that all out. Voila! Let's move on to the next step. For contouring, I'm going to draw thin lines around my nose bridge, at the edge of my cheekbones, and near my jawline. And we're almost done with the face. Now by using Art Class Contour Palette, I'm going to blend out that contour. Remember, we want this look to look warm, not cool. So we're going to add a lot of warmth to the face. Moving on to the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. What do you know? We're gonna go ahead and start on the eyes. I'm using Jeffree Star's Alien Palette. Using the Smashbox Lid Primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use that as the base for my eyes. The only eyeshadow that I will be applying on the eyes is called Martian Soil. This color is very pigmented, so you want to make sure to go ahead and use a clean, fluffy blending brush, and you want to go ahead and diffuse that all out. For blush, I'm using two shades from the same palette. The first one is Gravity, and the second one is Phone Home. We're going to go ahead and use small swirls all over the cheekbones and over the nose bridge. Just like this. For the lips, I'm introducing to you one of my go-tos nowadays. It's by a brand called Hold Live, and it's their Orchid Lip Palette. The shade is 646. I'm going to apply very little in the center of my lips. For highlighter, I'm using the shade Diamond from the So Jaded ColourPop Cosmetics palette. And lastly, for my lashes, I'm using Kiss Lashes in 001. Alright you guys, this is the finished makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked me, you can go ahead and like and subscribe, and my social media links will be down in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Bye!